and we will be back right after this.
I'm out of here. Back to the channel, and you join me in my operations room because we're going on a little outing, and I thought I'd take you with us. Let's have a look. So the first thing I've got to do is pack my stuff for this little micro adventure we're going on. Okay, we are locked and loaded, ready to go. So what's my plan? Where am I going? Don't know. I click on terrain here, zoom out, and you can clearly see these belts of green. Here's me in gutter slow. So all I'm going to do is cut across and then go down this sort of light mountain range and, I don't know, find out where I'm staying for the night, I guess. So what I'll do is I'll put in 2 towns, one across there to get me into this sort of nice region, and then one further down, and hopefully I'll find a campsite somewhere down there. No plan, no idea. Let's go. Oh, this is more like it.
After my first couple of hours in the saddle, I must have felt the need for redemption, which sort of explains my first unusual stop.
So I've just put a quick stop in, and I've just found a little church over there, so let's go and have a look. That's impressive, isn't it? That is amazing. Look at that organ. Amazing what you find, isn't it? Off we go. Let's see what else we encounter. I mean, that's the beauty, I guess, of solo travel, isn't it? I mean, we all sort of know the pros and cons. You know, I don't really care where I've got no destination, which sort of rewires your brain a little bit, because, you know, if I want to stop now, I'm going to stop now. I quite like that. I'm just cruising along. And here's my first destination.
And it was in Random Town 1 that I made my first pit stop.
Our little lunch break, it's quite nice. Little sandwich. And a coffee. Revitalise. And let's go. When I'm going on a solo ride, you think it's a bit boring. It's never boring. There's always the next thing, be it where you're going to eat, fuel, where you going, navigating, where you going to have a piss, where you're going to sleep that night. It's just an ongoing, and if you're going across borders as well, that's another thing you're thinking about. There's always something to do. Hello, mate. Steady on, chaps. Thought you'd go, crazy bastard. Fucking hell, what was that? Don't know if I've got that on camera. It's like a fucking pterodactyl. We are now
on our second leg of the journey. So I put that first village in, remember that, across to the east. Now we're going south west. What have we got to do now? Basically I've got to find a petrol station next, get some beers, fill the bike up, and then probably start looking for a campsite for the night. Pretty good so far. Weather's held off. It's got wood. And then see how we get on. I'm just going to have a break here for a bit. It's nice and quiet. Go on, my son! Go on!
I try so hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I turn away.
Okay, this is it. This is my random, completely random end destination on the map. And reorg. Now, we always use, generally, one of the first apps we use is IOverlander. Now, IOverlander used to be completely free. You can download it on your phone. And then it became a pay service as an app. It's really good. But I think, and this is pure speculation, that Garmin must have had some kind of contract or agreement with IOverlander, because it still gets updated on this, but I'm not paying anything for it, whereas on your mobile phone you got to pay for it. Still very good. If I go to camping, establish campgrounds, and then you can see Camping Platz am Boel. I'm going to check that out. 41 k's. We have a plan. Off we go.
There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby.
I treated my tent to some Nikwax, so that's all hopefully more water repellent. Cleaned it all, re-seamed it with some seam tape. We've rejuvenated all my camping kit. I'll get a bit more use out of it. This is I found this on Amazon. It's outdoor battery, so fully waterproof when these two caps are on, and it allows through charging, which is really good, so you can charge it straight from the bike and then charge other things at the same time, which a lot of power banks you can't do that with. Notice it's got a standard sort of camera thread on the bottom, because you can buy a little tripod for it, and like lamps that fit into it, and I think also an inflator as well, so I might end up buying a couple of them as I go along. This thing is brilliant. Pocket Rocket 2, simple, super lightweight, ultra reliable. Big gourmet dinner tonight. Look at that. I mean, what more do you need, really? Let's get this buffet started. Now, I could obviously go straight with the beans, but that would be a bit uncouth. So I'm going to toast some bread I stole from home. Right. You might learn some cooking tips in a minute. Field kitchen stuff, this. It's going to go wrong, isn't it? It's not really working. Maybe. Forget it. Beans are on. You cannot beat that. Simple, nourishing. Oh, so good. Right, off we go again. Got a new friend, look. Hello. I couldn't for the life of me remember if seeing a black cat meant good fortune or bad fortune. Right, I think I'm going to call it a night now. Hopefully it won't be raining. Just final check you've left nothing behind. So wake everybody up, although it's not that early to be honest. There's something very special about getting back on your bike. What is it? Just the fact you're moving again. I don't know, I love it. Everything's better when you're on your bike. Everything. So there was a lot of forces going against me on this little outing. You know, my wife was telling me there's going to be a storm, the forecast was rain. Is it worth packing all your kit just for one night? But I'm so glad I did. I've had a great time. It's been great just me on my bike getting out there, and I hope you've enjoyed it as well. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that, whatever you do. And I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, guys. Keep riding. Bye bye. If I don't get wet, then I'll tell you what, the adventure gods are definitely looking after me. Waterproofs are going on. I didn't quite make it, did I? You didn't quite make it, kids. It's just a pity. But, you know, it's the way it is. It's the way it shall be. Bastards. Bastards. I'm out of here.